Welcome to the female Tesla driver, the first to run errands and
30
deliver goods. Today's OTD. We have to go out to work on May Day. Look, I forgot to charge it again yesterday. Receive a large order as soon as you forget to charge it. This order was delivered to Fanghua for 32 kilometers and 47 meters. Is this bread or cake? Cake. Will he collapse? Sometimes you have to drive slow. No, we have already compared it. Pick up the first order. Let's go pick up the ride for the second order. It's on the way, and the highway is free. Let's be cool. 20 years old. Oh my god. I can't enter the tail number of the mobile phone of my mobile phone card. After waiting for a long time, it's finally normal. Let's go directly to the free expressway. There are no traffic jams on this highway. All the way. Girl, my colleagues are on vacation. You don't do it, I do it. When you go to work, I can't get the order again. This May Day holiday is also very suitable for cattle and horses. Arrive at the hitchhiking location for the second order. Hello, there is a cake sent from Ningbo. Please take it. You take that. I'll take this for you. I want to take a picture. Okay, bye. Send meatball, Don, and we can go to work. There is a very popular noodle restaurant in Fanghua called Let's try today too. Oh my god, this is so hot. So many people. I went in and asked. It will take 40 minutes to place an order. Can I wait? Doesn't this delay me from making money from Lala Mauve? I went to the other one with a short head, and there's boss gave me a small portion of fresh beef noodles. The small portion of fresh beef fan base is noodles. Fans, fresh beef fans. A small bowl. You see? I connected it before placing an order. Just wait there for 40 minutes. Can this list still be followed? Hurry up. In a hurry to earn rice. After dinner, let's go buy a small drink. Do you think I'm going to buy coffee? I like to buy a glass of real lemonade for $4. Look at you. Still have to consume. Here's the list for going home again. We have to rob it. As long as it's not May Day. My classmates are on vacation. How can this list be my turn? I know now. I take orders when you are on vacation. You take orders, I'm on vacation. Nice to arrive at the third order pickup location. 51,895,189, okay, right? It was originally a list to pick up the goods and pick up the hitchhiker. The goods were just picked up. The list of hitchhikers was canceled for me. Forget it. Adding this performance is mainly enough. Because my car is running out of power. We're going straight back. Or continue to rub this free expressway. It's so fragrant. Oops, it smells so good. Arrive at the delivery location of the third order. Didi Chuxing calls. Hello, my Didi delivery has arrived. Is it at the entrance of Block C? Oh, I'm at that Rosen door now, because the road in front of him is blocked and can't get through. I know. Then wait for me at Rosen's door. I'll be right there. Okay, bye. Hey, there is also a receipt code 8012. I want to take a picture. Wait a minute, bye. Got home from get off work early, bye. Today's performance has exceeded the standard. Remember to like and follow.